Now that we understand why moving and breathing in a performance posture limits normal joint range of motion, here are my two favorite exercises for restoring ribcage mobility before and after sport. For super stiff ribs, exhaling into a foam roller. Deflating into something dense compresses the select ribs on the foam roller so they stay more closed upon inhalation compared to the rest of the rib cage. This drives more expansion everywhere else that's not closed off by the roller. Just know that this can feel extremely tender on ribs that don't have give initially, so always start partially supported by your arms on the floor and don't push into discomfort, because if you cannot relax, your nervous system will not grant you mobility. If your lower ribs can move but the upper ribs cannot, then I like this hook lying position with a block squeezed reach. The palms here are intentionally turned out because when we paddle, our lats internally rotate and extend the shoulder. So if we want to lengthen this giant muscle that spans both sides of our back, we need to externally rotate and flex the shoulders while breathing into that position. This is why using a block or some kind of constraint is helpful, so we don't push past our actual shoulder range. Instead, we want to restore a rib position that allows the scapula to glide better upon it, because both shoulder and hip mobility improve once we get the rib cage moving, so long as we pay attention to details.